Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Zendesk for Shopify customer support, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Zendesk for Shopify customer support, start by logging into your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin center by clicking on the gear icon in the lower left corner. Select the Apps and Integrations option from the menu. In the search bar, type Shopify to find the integration. Choose the Zendesk for Shopify option from the search results. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Zendesk account with Shopify. You will be prompted to log into your Shopify account if you aren't already logged in. Provide the necessary permissions for Zendesk to access your Shopify store. After permissions are granted, you will be redirected back to Zendesk. Next, configure the settings according to your customer support needs. Ensure that your ticket views and notification settings align with your support workflow. If you have specific fields to track in customer tickets, customize those fields now. Remember to save your settings before moving on. Once configuration is complete, link any relevant Shopify products to your Zendesk tickets. Test the integration by creating a test ticket in Zendesk that corresponds with a Shopify order. Verify that the ticket pulls in the correct order information from Shopify. If everything is working correctly, you should see customer details populated in the ticket. For any troubleshooting, refer to the help documentation available in the Zendesk Support Center. Monitor your ticketing system closely for the initial weeks to ensure smooth operations. Familiarize your support team with the new integration and its features. Train them on how to manage customer inquiries efficiently through the Zendesk platform. Repeat this process periodically to review and adjust settings as your business needs change. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.